Hi guys! My name is Medi Putri Rabila. I'm from 12 Science 1. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram account. Instagram itself is a platform that is used to show how your daily life is through photos and videos posted. Not only that, Instagram is also a platform for selling online. Without any further ado, let's check it out! First of all, download the Instagram application from the App Store for iPhone or Play Store for Android. Because I already have the app on my phone, so I will instantly do the next step, which is tapping the Instagram icon to open it. Since I already have previous account, so to create a new account by clicking to add account. And then click create new account. Choose username. Click next. Create a password. Click next. Add phone number or email to get a verification code. Click next. You can connect with Facebook if you want. The last but not least, complete your profile and Instagram account is ready to be used. It's easy, right? So, I hope this video can help you guys to make an Instagram account. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye!